Hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to change the email in RedotPay. So first of all, launch your RedotPay application. When you are here on the home page, tap on your profile icon on the top left hand corner of the screen. Over here, you need to go to the option of security. Inside security, you will be shown the option of email address. So you need to simply tap on email address. Over here on the top, you will see the email address which is linked with your RedotPay account. So since you want to change it, you need to simply tap on the option of change email address. Now, if you want to change it, you need to remember that if you just process with this particular change email, then for 24 hours, the transactions will be paused and you need to simply wait for 24 hours in order to make the transaction. So tap on the option of confirm. Then on the next page, provide the new email address that you want to set for your RedotPay account. Then you need to confirm that email address with the help of the OTP which is going to be sent on that. And this way you will be able to basically change your email address. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.